Whether you want to save memory and battery on your phone, or need your on-the-go sound to be as good as it can, look no further than the best portable music players. Many have microSD memory slots too, so your music collection never stops growing. It also means you can keep all your audio at the highest quality possible, without worrying about running out of space. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. The AK100 Series II portable high-definition sound system from Astell&Kern is a pocket-sized audio system capable of studio mastering quality sound support and playback. It has an integrated single-channel Cirrus Logic CS4398 DAC and balanced output to provide exceptional sonic quality and detail. This player can also be used as an external DAC when connected to a Mac or PC via USB. It also features 64 GB of internal flash memory and a microSD card slot that supports up to 128 GB from a separately sold card. Plus, the 3.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen provides smartphone-style control over playback, while the brushed aluminum body and volume wheel provide a smooth analog feel. Furthermore, the built-in battery recharges via USB and lasts for up to 12 hours of playback. The next product on the list is the HIFIMAN SuperMini high-res portable player. It uses a low power consumption controller chip with a DAC built in. This MP3 player is one of the smallest portable hi-fi devices, and its battery life is 22 hours. The swing of the output voltage is 4.2 volts peak to peak, capable of driving most full-size headphones. Its output power can reach 320 megawatts, which can entirely drive the HIFIMAN HE400i and HE400S planar magnetic headphones. Thanks to the power-saving design, the SuperMini is built with 8 op-amps, and it can reach an output of 4.2 volts at 32 ohms. That is powerful enough to drive most headphones on the market. Crafted for more than just music, the 7th generation 32GB iPod Touch from Apple delivers immersive augmented reality gaming experiences. It has an A10 Fusion chip, which has been engineered to pack enough processing punch to give you fluid performance while running the latest mobile games and augmented reality experiences. When it comes to music, the iPod Touch gives you 32GB of storage space, so you always have your favorite tracks on hand. With rear and front camera for snapping HDR photos, 1080p videos, and connecting with friends over group FaceTime. However you choose to have fun with the iPod Touch, you'll play and manage it all through a sharp and vivid 4-inch Retina display. With the DPX-1A wireless digital audio player from ONKYO, you get audiophile quality in the palm of your hand. It reproduces balanced audio through twin Saber DACs and amplifiers, which have their own Nippon Chemicon Palladio-based electroconductive polymer capacitors. It stores its audio on 64 GB of internal storage, upgraded with 1 or 2 microSD cards. To help make navigating all of this content easier is an intuitive GUI and 4.7-inch touchscreen display. Through the built-in Android OS and dual-band Wi-Fi, you can stream from apps such as Pandora or Spotify, or purchase music from the ONKYO Music Store. You can use the gold-plated 2.5mm 4-pole or 3.5mm 3-pole headphone line outputs for wired listening. With up to 16,384 discrete bands to select from, and the ability to save up to 1,000 EQ profiles, the linear phase FIR equalizer is designed to offer high-definition equalization with zero loss in audio quality. Work out to the music you want with the black SanDisk 16GB Clip Sport Plus. This lightweight digital audio player is equipped with 16 GB of flash memory, allowing you to store as many as 4,000 songs on the device. It has a convenient clip designed to keep the device secure, even when you're working out. Also, it features a 1.44-inch color LCD screen that makes it easy to navigate the intuitive user interface. Its standard 3.5mm headphone jack supports wired connections and utilizes Bluetooth technology for pairing with compatible devices. The device's built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 20 hours of continuous audio playback. Moreover, you can use the included USB 2.0 cable to transfer your favorite jams from either a Mac or Windows computer, and you're ready to go. Another advantage is that this Walkman is durable and water resistant, so you can use it in any condition. Enjoy up to 45 hours of portable, high-resolution audio with the Sony NW-A45 Walkman digital music player, offered here in a grayish-black finish. It supports the playback of PCM, AAC, WMA, and MP3 audio files, among others. This MP3 player features 16 GB of internal flash memory and supports microSD cards. It also boasts a 3.1-inch TFT color LCD touchscreen with an 800 by 480 resolution. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 45 hours of continuous audio playback on a full 4-hour charge. You can use it as a USB DAC, circumventing your computer's sound card and achieving better sound in the process through the unit's S-Master HX amplifier. Additionally, you can also pair this Walkman with other compatible devices over conventional Bluetooth with NFC. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification for more exciting videos from our channel.